Hi everyone, we're going to have our second look at division today. Okay, so here we want to calculate 3.46 divided by 10. In the past you may have tried to explain this to learners by saying we move the decimal point, but technically that isn't what happens, and when we've got numbers that don't involve a decimal point that can be a wee bit confusing. I'm going to try and show you what happens here. So we're doing 3.46, I've got 3 units, 4 tenths and 6 hundredths. And just like with multiplication, when we moved one place to the left, when we multiplied by 10, when we divide by 10, we simply move one place to the right. So these values will just shift one place over. So now I would have 0 units, and then I would have 6,000. So my answer to this problem is 0.346. Okay, this next problem, 60,240 divided by 1,000. You may say to learners you can score off some zeros, and once again that can be a wee bit damaging for when their zeros are not there. So we'll try and show again once again how using the place value system to try and help learners understand what's going on. So we have got 60,240, and if we are dividing by 1,000, that means all these digits are going to move 3 places to the left. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3. So my answer here will be 60.24. We're not going to write 240 because there's no point saying that there's 0 thousandths. Okay, so 60.24. Importantly though, talking about the shift in moving up or down the place value certainly gives pupils a more clear understanding of what happens when you multiply and divide by 10 or multiples of 10. Okay, last one. We've got 840 divided by 60. I don't know about you, but I don't know my 60 times table. So just like how we looked at an example with multiplication, we're going to try and break this down. Because instead of dividing by 60, we can just divide by 10. And then divide it by 6, just split it down. And by this point, learners should be quite comfortable in doing this. We're moving one place to the right in our place value, and we would have 84 divided by 6. And this is a calculation we will just carry out at the side. So 6 into 8 goes once, remainder 2. 6 into 24 goes 4 times. So there are 14 lots of 60 in 840. 840 divided by 16 is 14.